Mentagasgi khandai trik unailar ajar arpuar, Nongkyrshan kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP uba AL hek, harengkat Nongkyrshan jong kaseng kila pedang sengobhai yakipat Nongkyrshan jong MLA Kamausen Ram, uba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang kibalawan man penyeso yalade barkate kaseng Mentagasgi hakajakat rekam jong ke BJP Hashilong.
Welcome BJP, Shangam BJP, Khubor.
So we have seen that many of the supporters from the Muslim constituency, they have joined the BJP. This has have strengthened the party organization in the state of Meghalaya, not only Muslim. You will see in the days to come, many different constituencies also they are joining the BJP. Many the sittings MLAs, even the ex-MLAs also they are joining the BJP very soon. And we are going to contest more than 40 seats in the coming up election in 2023. And BJP, we are trying our best that in the next election, in May, BJP will be the led government in the state of Meghalaya.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.